Alright, so I think I got everything changed. The only thing I need to do is turn this down here. I have to double check on here real quick. What is all that? A lot of background noise. Oh, I know why.
Why?
There it is. Alright, so this needs to be the browser.
Yeah. Do you have a headset? Dad, can I show you your headset?
Kia Sportage.
Call 800-333-4KIA for details. Always drive safely.
Your roommate's vacuuming for the 5th time today. But you have the $5 Chalupa Cravings box from Taco Bell, so his vacuuming might as well be the soft hum of purring kittens. And your loud neighbors turned into a telenovela with the beefy 5-layer burrito and chips and nacho cheese sauce plus a medium drink.
Jorge, ven y bésame, mi amor.
With the $5 Chalupa Cravings box from Taco Bell, nothing can ruin your bliss. It's value beyond belief. At limited participating locations for a limited time only. Contact store for prices and items which vary. Drinks exclude freezes, tax extra.
Hey, it's Red with a little message about M&M's messages, now with playlists on Spotify. Each pack has a playlist attached to match each message, so now you can say and play even more with M, because music makes every moment better. And yes, I do see the irony of interrupting your music to talk about how great music makes things. Tap to listen.
Hey Jax, are you coming? Who are you talking to? the equipment. We got it. We got it. I got my helper. So it says do not stack. Yet they came stacked on the pallet. That's a 4100. That was a piece on top. Yeah, this is where the live computer attachment. But I didn't buy it. I use a laptop. Different pieces. Of what? All right. There's piece number 2. I guess I'm expecting this to leaves. They're bags. All right. So I've got no idea what's in the bags. I'm sure it's all just leads, but what did they send? Okay, so they actually send a hygrometer with it. Our hot collar straps. It's like some banana plugs. Not sure what exactly that's used for yet. It's like an extra threaded stud. I don't know if that's a ground stud, or I don't know if that's extra or what. How about that? Is that any better? There's another stud. Not exactly sure what these are for.
Probably for transformer to.
Oh, this is the temperature. I think that's the temperature probe. Yeah, could be for the C2 tap. I don't ever remember the Doble M4000s having that. All of our ground, looks like our shorting jumpers. We've got a probe. We've got more parts. So, I mean, this reminds me of some transformer Schrader valve. Doble has it, we use it. Okay, the Doble sets that I always used in the past never had them. And that may be because you had to pay extra for the pieces, I'm not sure. So, bunch of jumpers and attachments.
Yeah,
Yeah. I'm surprised though, the Doble's got the built-in, well, it doesn't have the built-in, but it's got the external temperature humidity sensor with the magnet, and Megger sends a hygrometer, an Extech one, which, so be it. Expecting some high voltage leads and some low voltage returns. So let's see. Wow. That's a nice high voltage lead.
The Delta 4000 should have a temperature and humidity sensor.
It's got the red one.
The red one?
It does have this. I'm assuming it's temperature humidity.
They can't see it. There we go.
But I don't know why they sent the Extech Hygrometer. So let's see. They got some fancy clips on this thing. I'm assuming this unthreads. No. It's a quick connect. Wow. That's kind of cool. That's different from the, you can change your angles. Different from the Doble. Same with the hook. Got the quick connect. You got the options. You got the clamp or the hook. Yeah, that's neat. What do you got here? This little fella. Little banana to alligator. Not exactly sure what that's used for, but we'll figure it out. And a better than bungee. Not sure what that's used for. I mean, other than stringing up the leads, or seems like they put a lot of thought into this kit. I'm used to ratchet straps and whatever we can make work. There's that. I think the quick connect's pretty neat. Certificate of performance, software, Ethernet. We've got a USB-B. That's all just standard. Our ground lead. That's nice. We've got, looks like a ground jumper. So seems a little excess piece. I only know of one ground with the Dobles. Not sure why you'd have two grounds, but hey. And then our high voltage lead is all coiled up here. So that's the first bag. Well, USB.
Mr. Ron.
Yeah, it's gonna look good.
Not just for cars, but for cyclists and pedestrians too. We all need to
Mr. Ron.
alert. Drivers, obey speed limits and look for bikes and people. Cyclists, ride with traffic.
Dude, that's pretty nice. Like, there's some nice pieces to it.
And heads up. Let's
Were you here for the
be the share the road.
high voltage lead and the quick connect attachments to it?
MD.gov. This message is brought to you by the Maryland Department of Transportation.
Yeah. Between that and the hook, that's pretty neat. I don't remember that feature.
That's nice with the cutie.
All right. Let's see the other bag.
What if it has like the same stuff in it?
No, it's gonna have the other set of leads. There should be two other sets of leads. Oh, safety switches. I guess this one's got a foot pedal safety switch for one-man operations. So that's cool. And what we got here? These probably go from top to bottoms. Safety switch. This is probably the ground jumper from between the two sets. Nice, nice quality safety switch. It's not like the Dobles where they have the shock factor, you know, with the pressure, the 3-position squeeze switch. But we know what we're doing, right? Alright, what do we have in here? Bag number 1. Looks like the same setup, bungee cord, quick connect stuff. God, these are massive.
What are that?
It's the clamps. They're supposed to be able to like move. Hope those don't break. Put another bungee. Same thing. And it looks like another one of these. Here's the quick connect adapter for the lead. And then the banana plug with the small alligator clip. And then our lead, one of our leads, I'll put this adapter on it. Alright, then we got the same, looks like the same identical setup for the red lead. So we got the UK power leads. We got the different foreign power leads, if we needed them. We'll set those aside. We'll stick with our US power plugs. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty simple. Guess the fun part's getting them all packed in the bag, all nice and neat in the dividers, however you want to set up. But there's a lot of pieces to this. Bags are set up like backpacks. They've got all kinds of pockets down the middle here. It's probably going to rip over time. Pocket here.
To the back.
Yeah, they do. got little backpacks or carry straps. So is that what, do you remember them having these bags prior, or is this something new?
She said that's nice.
Yeah.
No, it's new.
Yep. So that's pretty much it. Simple 2-piece with 2 bags.
I used back in 2016. It wasn't a backpack.
Yeah, I don't even think as soon as just a couple years ago, 2019-ish. I don't even think they were backpacks then. So it must be some new design. But I'll give it a shot. Yeah, so that's what came in the boxes. Just that. We do also have the
Nice and boy.
MRCT. This is a pretty decent set. We have not used it yet, but we will.
Demo on next video.
Demo on next video. Ron, you may have to lead that one. Maybe we can do that one tomorrow.
I love the Tower DV user interface compared to the Google and
Omicron.
software.
Yeah, we do have PowerDB. We're very familiar with PowerDB. I'm familiar with Doble Protection Suite more so from the relay testing aspect. We do have a 6150, but they basically changed over the M4000 software to match the Protection Suite format. So now you have the DTA 6 and 5 and 6 or 7. I think DTA 6 and 7. I think 7's the latest they got. But it's all based off the Protection Suite. I used Protest back in the day with the 6150. Omicron, I never really got to use much of the Omicron software. I did a couple things with Omicron, but it was more control panel stuff. And I want to say that I've used that CPC 100 maybe once. And that was on some DC rectifier breakers.
Haven't used the 6150, just Mega, Smart, and Omicron.
The SMRT, I have issues with that. When that first came out, I used that back in like 2016 or 2017, and it came with a standalone like HMI that was Ethernet, and there was lag associated with the user interface. So when you would dial in on that HMI, you wouldn't see it on the screen. Yes, that's what it is, the STVI. Is that Sam?
Probably.
That might be Sam.
I'm pretty sure that is.
Did you tell her we were doing this?
No. I haven't seen this. I didn't even know you were getting this set up.
Well, maybe it's Eric. I don't know. That's Sam. See?
Oh,
Yeah, the STVI was very laggy and not responsive. I had issues with that, and then I think PowerDB only has a couple custom relay test sheets that run just straight from the right from PowerDB. Those sheets are nice, but there's only a couple. So unless you know how to make the sheets and do the programming through PowerDB, you're very limited. I haven't used much of Omicron. They've got yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I don't care for their relay set. I know 6150s. I've got one here. If you want me to pull it out. But yeah, I'm very familiar. I've been with Doble ever since I started relay testing back on the 2200 series. I probably go back to the Jodas set, which is a big 3-phase heavy unit. And then I did use the SR90, and then got into the F2200, 2250s, 2300s. And then 6150, and I've got a 6150 SV, so that's my go-to. So what automated software did you use with the Megger? Is it just PowerDB?
no, I can't remember this name.
Okay.
Or the
And then with Omicron, so I know they have that external RTS, but they also have their own Omicron software. RTS might be put out by like EnoServe, I think. No, that's Doble. Doble bought EnoServe. Test set list. So RTS works with Meggers, the SMRT, the Pulsar, and the MPRT. Also works with Manta, Omicron, Doble. We will. So we can do a hide. You can hide that, and I can Insert a browser. And then what the heck? I use RTS and Test Universe. Yeah, it's really bad. I can't. Yeah, I could just delete this. And then I can do a window capture. I can do that. That'll be better. Window, bam. Yeah. Yes, I didn't realize the RTS works with all of these. That's a pretty big list of equipment. I'm not familiar with RTS. I've never used it. I've only used the just Protection Suite. What is Test Universe? ATS, what's Megas Automatic? AVTS. Advanced Visual Test Software. Huh. Every MPRT unit comes with AVTS. Yeah. I mean, honestly, that looks kind of basic, but I don't know. I don't know what it can do. SMRTs, ABTS combined. So, yeah. So you haven't used a 6150. That's a... Turn it off. Well, anyway, that's about it. Just want to kind of show what's in there and what came with it, and you see it as I see it, and maybe we'll get to do some type of demo. I'll have Ron do it. I'll sit back on the technical side and all the video, and we'll try to get some type. Maybe I can do it from my cell phone in the field, hooking up to a transformer, and we just power factor or do something. That'd be cool. Not that there's that many people interested in it, but just to see how it kind of works. Yeah. it's so hard with demos of the relay software and just any type of test equipment, because it's all, you know, software and computer screens, and it's very boring. Like, you know, let's learn how to test relays, and what do you actually capture? You capture the back of me and, you know, staring at a computer screen, and it's just not, it's not that engaging, you know. Yeah, we can work it out, Ron. We'll get it. So anyway, I'm gonna shut this down, and we're going to put everything away and head off to bed. All right, Ron, I will see you tomorrow.
I like your video.
You'll like my video.
You only have one.
So it's all right.
Okay. Nah, I'm not dislike it.
You're gonna dislike it?
No. Yeah, see?
All right, man.
But I like it.
You guys take it easy.